During times of economic uncertainty, many people are looking for ways to save money and become more self-sufficient. Homesteading can be a great way to achieve both of these goals. Homesteading is a lifestyle that emphasizes self-reliance, sustainability, and a connection to the land. By growing your own food, producing your own energy, and living a more self-sufficient lifestyle, you can reduce your reliance on outside sources and save money on household expenses. One of the most significant benefits of homesteading during a recession is the ability to grow your own food. When you have control over what you're growing and how it's grown, you can ensure that you're getting the freshest, healthiest produce possible. This can be especially important during times of economic uncertainty when the cost of fresh produce may be high. By growing your own food, you can reduce your grocery bill and ensure that you're getting the nutrients you need to stay healthy. In addition to fresh produce, many homesteaders raise their own livestock for meat, dairy, and eggs. This can be a great way to save money on meat and dairy products, which can be expensive in the grocery store. By raising your own animals, you can ensure that they are treated humanely and that the meat is of the highest quality. For those who are concerned about the environmental impact of factory farming, homesteading can provide a more sustainable and ethical alternative. Another benefit of homesteading during a recession is the opportunity to reduce your household expenses. When you're living a more self-sufficient lifestyle, you're likely to use less energy and produce less waste than if you were living in a more traditional suburban or urban setting. Many homesteaders also use renewable energy sources such as solar or wind power to further reduce their energy bills. By reducing your monthly bills, you can save money and put more money back into your pocket. Homesteading can also provide a sense of security and independence during a recession. When you're growing your own food and producing your own energy, you're less reliant on outside sources for your basic needs. This can be especially important during times of economic uncertainty when jobs may be scarce and prices may be high. By being more self-sufficient, you can reduce your financial stress and feel more secure in your ability to provide for yourself and your family. Another benefit of homesteading during a recession is the opportunity to earn extra income. When you're growing your own food and producing your own energy, you may have extra produce or energy that you can sell or trade with others. Many homesteaders also sell homemade crafts, such as soaps, candles, or textiles, as a way to earn extra income. By diversifying your income streams, you can reduce your reliance on a single source of income and feel more financially secure. Homesteading can also provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment during a recession. When you're responsible for providing for yourself and your family, every day is filled with meaningful work. Homesteading can be hard work, but it's also incredibly rewarding. There's something satisfying about being able to grow your own food, raise your own animals, and live a self-sufficient lifestyle. Many homesteaders also enjoy the challenge of learning new skills and adapting to the changing seasons and weather conditions. Finally, homesteading can provide a sense of community and connection during a recession. Homesteading is often a communal activity, and many homesteaders enjoy sharing knowledge, skills, and resources with one another. This can be a great way to meet like-minded people and build a supportive community. Homesteading groups and organizations can provide a wealth of resources, from advice on raising livestock to tips